Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be taking a look at Kelowna lubing station. It is a 36 switches lubing station, so ample of space for lubing. In the package there are 2 acrylic boards, the stands and the screw to go with. As you can see, it is wrapped with tape to prevent any scratches when shipping. On the side you can see it is quite thick and it is transparent and the corners are rounded off. The sticker seems to be a bit sticky and a bit too hard to peel off, unlike some plastic films where it's easily to peel off. Kelowna, if you're watching this, I do suggest you change it to a plastic film. As you can see, I'm having a really hard time to peel this off. You guys are enjoying this unsatisfying peel. Let me just jump forward to the future where I peeled this off. So we have done the main board. Now it is for the under tray to keep the spring from falling through the board. And damn, oh well. One last time on this side. Frick. This might be the most unsatisfying peel on the internet. Alright, it is clean now. It's a totally transparent which could help you see your switch clearly. So let's start assembling the station. Let me move aside the bubble wrap so you guys can see the product clearer. First off, let's assemble the base that will be holding the spring. There is no instruction on how to assemble the station, so I just make sure the stem can go through. So let me try this out first. Apparently the stems could only be inserted on one side of the station, so do take note of this. For the orientation of the base cleared, let's assemble the station. First off, we will assemble the small holder for the springs with these small screws and nuts provided. I will assemble it like this as the table will help to push the screws in place, and I will just turn the nuts until it is firm. You might need a pair of pliers if you are unable to grip these nuts properly. Once we are done, we will be assembling the leg for the station. It is nice that it does not need any tools to assemble. You just need to use your finger to tighten the screws. Once done, you can see the station is very solid and stable. Let us just open a switch to see how the actual station works. We can put the bottom housing here and the top housing here. The spring can go here and the stems can go right here. Looks quite nice. You can see each part very clearly, and the lubing might be easier as you will not misplace your parts after you lube it. So some final thoughts. If you guys are looking for a lubing station, I would recommend the Kelowna lube station, which is very cheap and you could get the work done. It might not have the best billing experience, but once you pass that, everything should be fine. I have linked the tray in the description below if you're interested in it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. I will be posting weekly on my